This is definitely not the turn-up ship. It's more laid back.
This crowd, like, you going to that club, this is probably gonna be like going to church or something.
This dance floor is way too empty right now.
If you're a beginner, this may be a ship for you. You know, no. But if you're looking to turn up, this ain't the ship. Alright, so I just fed and laid the kids down, tucked them in, and I did give Dee that meatball panini I told y'all about in the Mardi Gras series. That boy's still fire. But anyway, on my way up to the casino, and I'm trying to win me some of them free cruises that y'all be getting. I don't know how y'all be hitting, but I heard the secret is you got to play the slots. So
1 hour later.
we are not gonna talk about it. We're just not gonna talk about it. Alright, y'all, so I had a little moment. You know, I did. It is what it is. And tonight is the second night of the cruise, so it is elegant night. So let me go check up on the fam, and then we're gonna get dressed. What up?
Hi.
Time to get ready for elegant night.
I'm not gonna be so elegant. More like just better than I've been dressed the whole cruise.
Alright. So whatever that means. Oh,
You'll see.
what we gonna do later? We going to the club?
I'm not really in the club mood, per se.
What? We can drop him off at his club, and then we can go to our club.
But I'm not really in the club mood.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, you getting old, man.
28 is not old.
28, here we go with that.
First of all. Second of all, this crowd, like, you going to that club, this is probably gonna be like going to church or something.
What that do with that?
People just gonna be sitting around.
Y'all thought I was bad.
People gonna be sitting around and just bobbing their heads to the music.
I mean,
Ain't nobody gonna be dancing.
Going to church is good.
Going to church is good, but you don't want church to be like the club
But people
either.
have a good time at church.
Okay, so you gonna go in and just...
It sounds like we need to change churches because you ain't having a good time.
I didn't say that. But my church is not club church. So... This crowd is a wonderful group of people.
It's not like...
They're just not the party type.
I can say that. I agree with that.
So this is what I meant by not dressed up like I normally do, but better dressed than I've been on the cruise. Well, you're handsome. This handsome fella here, though.
Hey, what you got on, man? Let's
Stealing
see.
my shine. Yeah,
Say, hey,
man.
look at you.
You say hi? Hi.
Hey.
Yeah. You broke his... Yeah.
All right, let them see the rest of that ensemble you got on.
That's not much, you know.
Go on. Yeah, take that jacket off.
Show a little shoulder. Make sure my straps are in. Show a little shoulder.
Show them a little more than that. Take that jacket off there,
But
girl.
it's cold in here, so
Let's
you
see.
know.
Turn around, give them a 360.
With my jacket off.
With the jacket off.
Okay.
Ooh, wee. Well, that ain't even no wagon you got there, girl. That's a whole wheelbarrow.
Yeah. Man.
Your mama packing that wheelbarrow back there, Judy?
No, man.
Mm-hmm.
That is all.
That's all they gonna see.
That is all. Aha.
You know, some slight. You know. Hey. Shirt from Shein.
Yeah.
I don't know, these pants probably from Burlington.
I was to say Burlington.
I found these shoes on the internet.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, you know, something slight.
Yeah.
I ain't want to kill them like I usually do on the other vlogs, you know, but
You're still looking good.
a little 3 day. This is a little 3 day action. This ain't they can get more on the 7 day.
Still looking good.
You know what I'm saying? Hey man. Hey,
Yeah.
I try.
Okay. All right. All right. Not too much. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 to the 4. All right.
It's time to go.
Come back.
What's going on, man? How you doing? Hey, smile for your mama. Smile.
Let me see your teeth. No.
Hard-headed like his mama.
It's daddy.
Nah.
Let me do chicken nuggets, I think. And then the fruit for dessert for him. And then I want the Caesar salad, the grilled garlic shrimp, and vanilla creme brulee, I guess. And then can I get a peach bellini?
Caesar salad. Is it the prime rib on the menu?
Yeah, prime rib.
Medium.
Medium gonna be red. Okay, for you?
And then let's do the melting cake with the peanut butter again and the ice cream. You done? You all done? Done? All right.
And I never lost my meaning of sleeping, 'cause I'm worried about the way that things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning,
Yeah, man.
proud there we keep on burning. Big wheels keep on turning, proud there we keep on burning. Set it rolling, rolling, set it rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
Roll, man. Think about what you're trying to do to me. Yeah, think, let your mind go, let yourself be free. Oh, freedom, 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 oh, freedom. Yeah. Hold on. Can't you see that I'm lonely? Come on and rescue me. I put a spell on you. Because you're mine. Put your hands on your hips, cover your eyes on the moon. Moving on, you move with the spirit. Move with the spirit. Freedom! Why are you doing that? I think it was pretty good.
It was good. I just don't like the when they sing. Like, freedom.
they putting the funk on it, the stank on it.
That's not it.
Anyways,
But it was good.
yeah, it was a real good show. It's called Soulbound. So they kind of had like music from Motown mixed in with like some kind of, they tied it into like some kind of ghosty, ghouly type deal. So Soulbound was like a play on words or something like that. So actually getting ready to head out. They're supposed to have another 70's and 80's party going on in the promenade. So over right by the bar where you first walk in on the ship. So we're gonna check that out, and then I'm probably change after that. She done already got out her clothes. She don't like she hates wearing dresses for some reason. I don't know why. She look gorgeous in dresses. That thing be thanging in the dresses. That wheelbarrow I was talking about.
Oh my gosh.
But anyways, y'all can catch us at the next party, and make sure you stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama D. Yeah, we need to drop the kid off. Cause don't tip me now. Watch out now. Yeah. Alright, now you dance like an old lady. You dance like a nana now. Nah, I'm good. I'm yours. Come on, Brick House. Yeah, boy. Go hit it. Uh-oh. Come on for the Deltas worldwide. Yeah. Just letting it all hang out. Come on, girl. What is she doing over there? What is she doing, y'all? Don't worry, baby. Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. The day I set you free, I told her you can always count on me, darling. Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. She don't know the words. She gone. She don't know the chorus. Alright, what's up, y'all? We have reached the end of our day. Well, almost the end of the day. Little PJ's, he's out right now. And D, she tired too, so
I didn't get my nap.
she didn't. Both of them didn't get their nap. So, but today's been pretty eventful though. Today
has been a lot.
Today has been really eventful. As you see, so some of the stuff you may see is not what you may be used to on Carnival. This is definitely not the turn-up ship. It's more laid back. It's giving me more laid back vibes, almost like the MSC Maravilha.
I feel like MSC Maravilha was a little better.
Dang, really? I mean, we had a good time though. We was kid free. That's a whole different story.
Maybe that's
so.
why.
Yeah, we was able to cut up a little more than we used to, but
we made it better than what it was.
But I would also say that the demographic of this ship is a little different too. Like, I've never seen this many Asian cruisers. The West Coast brings out Asian cruisers like in numbers, and so that's really good to see. So this is a really more of a diverse sailing than we've seen. You know,
a lot of first-time sailors.
Yeah, a lot of blue cards. It's a lot of blue cards here on this sailing. So, if you're a beginner, this may be a ship for you. You know, no. But if you're looking to turn up, this ain't the ship. I'm telling you right now, this is not.
I feel like if you're a beginner, you need to go to a ship that's like, oh my goodness, that was amazing, so that you want to keep going. Cause like I feel like if you come on here, it's gonna be like, oh, it was a cruise, like it was okay.
Yeah, And the cruise driver, what's his name? Alex? Alex ain't. I feel like Jasper on the Breeze was better than him.
I like Jasper.
So, anywho, gorgeous looking ship. But it's too chill. It's way too chill.
But y'all know I'm perfectly fine with chill because I'm a chill person.
Because you like
myself.
to take naps during the day. That's
do.
why.
And I can take naps without feeling like I'm missing something.
So you ready to go back on MSC?
I like the MSC.
Because she old.
And I like the perks that MSC gives.
Yeah.
Right now.
They good.
So.
Yeah. But anywho, I'm finna put them to bed. And then I'm finna go out.
And party.
So stay tuned. I'm about to go to the Mega Deck party. And that'll be the end of the...
You're not going to the club? You might pass by the club. I know how he do.
I don't know. I feel like it's going to be a waste of time. But anyway, let me go see what the Mega Deck party is like. And that's going to be our outro for the night.
We'll see you on day 3 in Mexico.
Peace.
Bye.
But look, if all of y'all just stay seated on the side, just watching, there's going to be nothing for any of you to watch. But if everyone gets on up, joins us out here on this dance floor, there's going to be no one left watching and we're all going to have a great time. So we're going to start with one of your favorites, everyone. You know it. You love it. Hit it, Nico.
It's going down.
I love it. Look, hey, it might be a little bit chilly, but the more you move, the warmer it gets, everyone. And I'm just gonna say this. This dance floor is way too empty right now. How you feeling? How about this one?